How to fix Instagram audio quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram audio quality on Android phone. First then just open Instagram and then go to your profile and click the storylines here, go to settings and then click account, and here you will find the cellular data use. Click on it and all you need to do just enable this one, data saver, and then the audio quality will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And if that doesn't fix your problem, you can just go to settings and then clear your phone cache storage and then clean up, click junk files or cache, and it will be fixed. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.